The trend FFP2 Respirator. For effective respiratory protection, a compact, lightweight face mask. The filter offers low breathing resistance, nose padding and a nose clip for a comfortable fit, adjustable straps for effective face seal and comfort, is suitable for up to 8 hours use, provides over 94% dust capture for increased protection and has an assigned protection factor of 10 for safer working. The FFP2 is ideal for DIY, trade and general use. Compact and portable, it provides multi-layered filtration with low breathing resistance. Unlike other masks, the straps pass through the mask, increasing face seal, comfort and durability. And it's suitable for ply and particle board, softwood and social use. The trend FFP2 Respirator for effective respiratory protection.